2.5 bath garage. I'm gonna walk in. Guardian security system, doorbell. As you walk in, it's a Bloomfield home. You walk right into the study on the right. Bay window. It does have some wall repairs that need done, just cosmetic, very minor. Some fresh paint. Spackle will fix that right up. Off to the left is your garage. To your right will be the laundry room. The light is out. This is the grand kitchen. Big island, fit 3 to 4 bar stools. You have the back, the pantry off to the right. Gas. You walk in, huge living room, no fireplace. We're gonna walk into the master bedroom. Huge closet for him or her. Master bedroom. Master bath is beautiful. Huge tub. We are not going to look in the backyard. We'll do a Google Maps of that. Here's the listing agent. Say hello.
Hey, how's it going?
We'll come down here on the left of the hallway. To the left is a bathroom, dual sinks. Bedroom number 1, outside the master. Yeah, TV, whoa, internal wiring, that's awesome. Bedroom number 2, outside the master. All bedrooms do have fans. Bedroom number 3. Gotta love the pink accent wall. And let's hit the backyard for a final look. From the kitchen angle, from the back angle to the kitchen. Very open space. Now the beautiful thing about this home is you have a covered patio with a fan. The backyard does need taking care of. You're definitely gonna have some issues with some runoff here. This is normal over in this area. There's Bermuda grass. It's backed up to a green belt. About 4 to 5 feet is a ditch drop off that the property management takes care of with the HOA. And behind it is a huge field where they plant seasonally. And as you can see, the neighbors on the sign has St. Augustine. That ends this tour.